going on, guys? Cody here with CJ Built, and today, you know what? I'm gonna let my dad intro this one.
Okay, we're on our way to South Florida machine shop. Richard called that he's having issues with the oil ring set on the new set of piston rings. The piston's getting stuck in the cylinder. He says the expander is too wide, so the piston rings are not going all the way in, so they're getting caught on the cylinder. He took all the rings off the pistons, put one at a time, put the compression ring in, piston went in fine, no problem. Took that one out, put the second ring in, everything no problem. Took that one out, put the oil ring in with the expander, and the piston would not budge. Took everything back out, put only the rings without the expander, piston went in fine, went up and down, no problem. So we're having an issue with the expander. Perhaps that's probably what happened to us, that's why our ring broke. So we're gonna go take them OE expanders, so you can try them with the new piston ring set, see if that works. If it does work, we're in good shape. If not, we're gonna have to order from Japan another set of piston rings, standard for turbo application. And I don't know when we're gonna get it and how much it's gonna cost. So we're trying to keep the cost down since we're in this situation with the quarantine and our jobs are all limited and money's a little tight.
Traffic lights. Use the left 2 lanes to turn onto Southwest 177th Avenue South.
Thank you, biatch.
Just gonna lightly massage the pistons because you see the scraping is very minor, pretty much right there on the inner edge, but we want to eliminate that completely. So we just gonna massage it just a little bit and get it ready for installation. What is going on, guys? Cody here with CJ Built. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Right now we're in Miami's weird weather. It was just storming a little while ago. Right now we are putting the motor back together. We're just attacking it, putting everything we can to try to get it running as soon as possible. But it doesn't look like it's gonna be running this weekend. Looks like next weekend is when we're gonna be putting the motor in the car, but we're just trying today to get as far as we can. All right, guys, well, let's get back to work. Okay, wait. Now you're gonna start dropping it little by little.
Little by little, okay. More?
Yeah, a little bit more. Alright, start going in a bit.
Go in. More?
Just go back a little bit more.
With the motor?
Yeah.
The motor has to go back?
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh my god, it's beautiful.
Went in?
It's pretty much in all the way.
Good, because I'm lined up on the motor mounts here.
Okay, it's almost, now it's pretty much in. Are you on the motor mounts here?
Well, watch your head. That one's in. Holy crap, it's in.
So we're gonna turn it on for the first time. We just put the motor in, just button it all down. So now we're gonna give it its first crank. Ready?
Fuel pressure, good. Fuel pressure, good. No leaks.
I'm gonna prime it again.
Yeah, prime it one more time. Okay, you got fuel pressure, no leaks, go.